Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. US government finally says something important about Shiba Inu Coin. Shiba Inu news today. The Financial Stability Oversight Council published its own highly anticipated report in response to US President Joe Biden's executive order on crypto earlier this week, calling on Congress to define the line between a security and a non-security, at least as far as crypto is concerned. In this video, we will talk about US government finally says something important about Shiba Inu Coin. Shiba Inu news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu price prediction is slightly bearish as the meme coin has violated the symmetrical triangle pattern, and now it's trading at $0.00001106. Despite a 1.72 trillion SHIB withdrawal from the Huobi exchange, SHIB fails to gain bullish momentum. Shiba Eternity, Shiba Inu's first collectible card game, was just released on global mobile platforms for consumers to download and play. Many people were wondering what impact the revelation would have on cryptocurrency sentiment. Shiba Inu hasn't reacted much to the news so far. According to blockchain data, a Shiba Inu whale has just cashed out $1.72 trillion worth of SHIB from the Huobi cryptocurrency market, which may be good news for the price of SHIB. The Shiba Inu withdrawal transaction was worth about $19.4 million, but has now dropped to under $19.1 million. Such significant transactions are typically the work of a single whale or a group of investors. Whales typically make an exchange outflow transfer to their wallets. Such market buying pressure can have a favorable influence on the meme coin price. The Shiba Eternity Twitter account recently updated its followers on the status of the competition it announced back in September. The goal was for people to make a 30-second long trailer for the SHIB game. All contest entries must feature gameplay footage of Shiba Eternity and must showcase gameplay elements such as attributes, disciplines, cards, and fights. The winning trailer will receive 451,263,537 meme coins at the exchange rate. The Shiba Eternity staff has promised to contact winners directly using the messaging service Discord. This contributes to Shiba Inu's bullish sentiment. However, the strong US dollar appears to overshadow and keep the meme coin bearish. Shiba Inu is now trading at $0.000011 with a 24-hour trading volume of $107,543,318. Shiba Inu has increased by 0.40% in the previous 24 hours. Coin market cap now ranks 14th with a live market cap of $6,082,715,819. On the technical front, the SHIB has broken through the symmetrical triangle pattern at $0.00001119, and the closing of bearish candles below this level indicates a possible downtrend continuation. Leading technical indicators such as the RSI and MACD point to a selling trend. SHIB can go after the triple bottom level of $0.00001082, and a break below this can open up more room for selling until $0.00001055. SHIB may face immediate resistance near $0.00001119, extended by a 50-day moving average and previously violated the upward trend line. To summarize, Shiba Inu is unlikely to reach $1 before 2022. A surge in Shiba Inu demand could push the price past $0.00001119 and towards $0.00001157. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are coins that made good progress in the past few days. The recently launched Shiba Eternity game is already becoming one of the most discussed Shiba Inu products. The gaming product was launched globally a few days ago after successful trials in Vietnam and Australia. The Shiba Eternity gaming product is already experiencing rapid growth in the number of downloads, which is expected to increase in the coming days. This adoption is expected to significantly impact the Shiba Inu SHIB price growth in the coming days. Crypto experts project that as the Eternity game gets down and millions of fans start playing it, the demand for SHIB will skyrocket. This is one way that the SHIB price will start rising. The Shibers and the Shibarium are other key products that will explode the Shiba Inu price performance due to their mass adoption. Shiba Eternity, the mobile game developed by Shiba Inu and Playside Studios, is a significant source of bullish momentum. According to reports, the game was on the list of the top 20 apps on the Apple App Store on its first release day. Shiba Eternity is a free card strategy game. It is also a part of the SHIB burning strategy. Transactions within the game are subject to token burns that help to reduce SHIB's circulating supply. With a reported 10,000 downloads on its first day, Shiba Eternity demonstrates impressive momentum. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu's governance token, BONE, suddenly saw a more than 205% increase in trading volume. However, the price of BONE continued to drop, leading many to speculate as to what could have happened. At the time of publication, BONE was trading at $1.12, down 13.47% over the past 24 hours. High volatility usually increases trading volume for any asset as experienced traders buy and sell huge amounts to capture profits. Similarly, an increase in BONE volume could be due to investors wanting to buy BONE at its current low level. Traders may be scrambling to take advantage of the opportunity presented by recent price volatility. However, some observers claim that the total number of units transferred or trading volume between buyers and sellers is an unreliable indicator of investor status. BONE was the biggest gainer in August as it rose above the $2 mark to set an annual high of $2.39 on August 30th. Shortly after this peak, the price of BONE fell to enter a range. The bulls could not sustain above the $1.63 mark at the end of September, leading to a further decline. Although the exact reason for the dump is unknown, many suspect that it results from uncertainty regarding the Shibarium launch. According to Shiba Inu's lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, the team hasn't given an official date for the Shibarium release. In its most recent update, the Layer 2 Shibarium builder, Unification, offered it in Q3 2022, or soon after the Shibarium public beta launches. BONE minting was officially halted in September, as the supply exceeded 230 million. The upcoming Layer 2 Shibarium will need to secure 20 million bones for the protocol to operate, with rewards reserved for validators and gas. Additionally, it is known that delegates will be rewarded at BONE for their efforts and for performing their assigned roles in the blockchain. In a positive development, the Shiba Inu team announced that October 6th would be the official download date for the SHIB CCG game. The Financial Stability Oversight Council finally published a long-anticipated report about crypto regulations. Essentially, FSOC said it believes federal agencies already have much of the authority they need to oversee large chunks of the crypto sector. The one area it asked for Congress to get involved in is defining just where the limits of securities regulations should be. In other words, much of this wasn't really a surprise. Where the line is between crypto security and a crypto commodity is the question in the US. Where exactly does the Securities and Exchange Commission's authority end and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission's authority begin? Congress has not really tried to answer that question. Sure, some bills seek to address that, such as the Senate Agriculture Committee's DCCPA, but a closer look at the text shows that it doesn't provide that definition. This has left much of crypto in an odd sort of limbo. The report went largely into detail on what currently exists in crypto, detailing existing rules and regulations, some of the recent events and precedents we've seen, and a summary of how regulators see crypto posing eventual risks to the US and possibly the broader financial system. In short, financial stability is the key concern by way of how crypto interacts with the rest of the world, whether that's through stablecoin payments, banking activities, tokenized real-world assets, investment products, or even just this general idea that crypto and crypto tools may be used to facilitate, replace, or even bolster some of the more traditional financial activities that take place out there. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.